Hello and welcome to our how-to video on the Milestone Clone Page. We're going to take a look at how we can use a custom Milestone Clone Page to clone milestones and its child-related records. The Milestone Clone Page is a custom clone page, not a standard Salesforce clone process. Using this clone feature will allow us to clone milestones and its child-related records like actions, contributors, and checklist items. Before the records are cloned, you're able to make changes to the milestone and actions so they're relevant to the new project that you're working on. And by default it will clone all the custom fields, but you can also add more custom fields to the clone page by editing the custom field set. Let's have a look. Alright, so let's say that I've got a project here and I need to create a new milestone for it, but I know that I've created that milestone before in another project. So what I can do is just go over to the project where I've created it, and let's say I'm going to take this review milestone, and as you can see it's got one action with a few checklist items as well as contributors. So what I'm going to do is click on the milestone, so it takes me to the record page for the milestone, and we can click on this clone button on the right over here. And you'll see a number of fields over here that you can enter details into, but I'm just going to leave it as it is for most of them. Just going to say cloned from grommets so that we can identify it later. And I'm just going to change the project to Puma, so go to the right one. There you go. And I'm just going to change the action dates to 4th of July. And it's automatically going to adjust the forecast date. And I'm going to clone the checklist item and the contributors. And I'm just going to leave the action as it is. Clone. It's taking me to the new milestones record page. I'm going to go back to the project. And as you can see, it has created or cloned it for me. And with all the checklist items, the action, and the contributors. Now, when we were at the clone page, you can see there's a number of fields over here. You can remove some of these fields. You can add your own custom fields that you like. So for that, you would have to go to the object manager. If you do not have access to the object manager, you can ask your system administrator for help. So we've got two field sets over here. So this first one, you can adjust which fields that you need from the ones that we've already set in for the milestone object. Or if you'd like, you can go into the custom clone field, you can create your own fields and then drag it from here. So for example, I've got this test field over here that I've created, and if you go over here, it'll show up over here. So you can update your fields as to your liking. So that concludes our how-to video on the milestone clone feature in Mission Control. Please do reach out to us if you have any questions via email or through a support ticket through the links mentioned here. We have other resources that you can take advantage of, like our very detailed user guide, training videos, searchable knowledge base, and the learning portal. Thanks for watching and have a great day.